Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you this 2020 Catalina 221 DBSCK. So the DB is going to stand for double bunk. One of the things we're going to notice, we've got a nice 16-foot power awning. This is a wood frame coach with metal siding. You're going to have the solid steps. They're going to fold into the coach very easily. Double axle. Got some outside speakers, LED lights underneath the awning, so if you have a couple of tables and chairs outside barbecuing in your outside kitchen. Here you're gonna have a sink, stove, and a small fridge. As we go inside this Catalina, big grab handle as we come in. We're gonna have a couch that's also gonna turn into a Murphy bed. So to do the Murphy bed, just that one's already unhooked. We'll just unhook this one. And this just folds down right over the couch. So a nice sleeping area. We're gonna have wardrobe storage on both sides. We're gonna have a U-shaped dinette that'll also turn into another sleeping area. LED lights all the way through, ducted AC. Nice L-shaped kitchen with decent counter space. Double sink here. Microwave, oven, lots of storage underneath the sink for silverware. Nice big Norcold fridge and freezer. And then you're gonna have your Furrion DVD, CD, USB system, and then more pantry space right over here. Heated and enclosed underbelly, so if you are dealing with any inclement weather, those lines, the heat will duct down there, so hopefully they won't freeze. We've got two wide double bunks, and then we'll come in and you'll see your bathroom, toilet, shower, sink area. 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floors with the Catalina. That's gonna be a lot better than some of the competitors that are gonna use OSB board. If you have any questions on this 2020 Catalina, call Brandon Reagan at 541-214-0223 and have a great day.